If you're a young man, just like me, I would say do these three things. One, discover yourself. What do I mean by discovering yourself? Let's look at it this way. You need to know your weakness. You need to know your strengths. You need to know what you are good at. Someone like me, I'm not a social person. I know that. I'm not an introvert. I know that. More of somebody who is tech savvy, somebody who have this problem solving skill, who can relate to things, who can adapt, who can look at ways to do things. Someone people call to when they need solutions to things. So I've discovered myself as a young man. I'm actually in my 20s right now. By August, I'll be 29, actually. So I discovered myself, what I'm good at, the skill set that I have, what I can do to make money, what I need to be building, what I'm supposed to be doing, not what I'm supposed to be doing. I discovered myself. I discovered I'm good in tech. I'm good with computer. I know about the internet. I know about social medias. I know how to go around things. I discovered these things. So I'm working on these things. I'm working on improving myself every day, getting better at it, trying to look for ways to build myself around these things and be a better what version of myself. Then second, take care of your business. I work for somebody. Trust me, assuming I knew what I know now, like assuming they say if I should go back in time and I have all this knowledge which I've acquired so far at this stage, now I won't be working for anybody. I would have ever worked for somebody. Of course, you need to work for somebody, gain knowledge, pass through a lot of things before you can actually what? Before you can have experience and build something of your own, which is true. What do I mean by take care of your business? Let me go straight to the point. Let's say you're somebody, maybe you're a freelancer, you freelance online, you make money online. Taking care of a business is more like taking it seriously, trying to bring in more clients, trying to make more money, trying to be serious at it. Maybe every month let's start from every month you have this target of making like $2,000 to $5,000 every month. You can actually what? Try to double it. 7,000 every month, 8,000 every month, 9,000 or 10,000 every month. As the case may be. Just improve. Just make sure that the stage you currently are, you're working so hard to go to the next what stage. That's what I mean by what? Taking care of your business. Now, the third one, get your money together. Getting your money together. Know the difference between asset and liability. Know the difference between what takes money from your pocket and what adds money to your pocket. Cut off any kind of expenses that is uncalled for. Know what you do. If you're somebody that eats out, you do a lot of expenses, try to what? Try to at least live frugal. Let me not use that word live frugal. When you're what? Chasing. When you're chasing the bag. When you're looking forward to what? More bigger things. Live frugal. Let me use that word. So, these three things, which I just mentioned, is something that have helped me a lot. It's something that is actually what helping me to get to where I am today. I'm making this video, sharing my sharing my journey with people, how I got here, and where I'm getting to. My journey has not been smooth, but what can I say? Every step of the way, it makes me a better man of who I am, of who I want to be. So you as a young man, trust me, society puts a lot of pressure on man. As long as you're a man, society put a lot of pressure on man. You need to care for yourself, your family. Maybe you need to get married. You have family to look for, kids, travel around the world. Have freedom, time freedom, location freedom, financial freedom. As a man, you need this. To be the top G, just like Andrew Tate always mentioned, to be one of the top Gs, you need to be hard on yourself. It's not going to be easy. It's going to be hard, but trust me, you need to do it. Let me just leave you guys with this quote. There is this mental model, that this my kind of thought, this my strain of thought, which I usually try to synthesize to people. If you do not work hard for the life you want now, trust me, later you will regret it. If you skip the life, if you skip the hard life right now, trust me, in the future you will meet the hard life. Whatever you skip now, you always meet it in front. That's the universe. The universe is something else. The universal law, it doesn't go anywhere. It's always there for you. How about you suffer now, enjoy later? Though it has these ups and downs, I understand. It has these ups and downs. But how about you suffer now, enjoy later? It kind of makes sense, right? How about you put in the work right now, then it pays off later? Of course. How about your circle of friends? Everybody's messing around, everybody's is jacking off, everybody's just doing whatever they want. But you are out there putting in effort, doing what you're supposed to do, putting in energy, taking care of your business, discovering yourself, getting your money together, doing all these necessary things to be at the top. Then, after like 1 or 2 years, you get there. Then someone who doesn't know how hard you have worked so hard, how hard, like how you have suffered to get where you are right now, would think it is a journey of 1 year, a journey of 2 months, a journey of 4 months. And they will start their own, and after like 6 months, they will quit. They will say it's not working for them. But they don't know how hard you have worked so hard to get at this point. I am an example. People see me today, see the way I talk, they look at the way I look at things, the way I advise people, the way I say things. They'll be like, how long have you been doing this? I will tell them that this is how far I've gotten. They'll be like, wow, that's a long period of time. And I'm still building myself till now. Someone who doesn't know the journey, nobody knows the journey. Nobody knows the journey more than you. You're on this journey alone. Nobody wants this thing more than you. You want it so bad. Do you want it? The question is, do you want it so bad? Do you want it so bad? Do you want success so bad? Are you eager? Are you hungry for it? I'm hungry for it. I can't wait. I can't wait for freedom. I want to be free. I want to be free. I posted I want to be free. Someone asked me, how do I mean free? I said, I want to be financially free. I want to be location free. I want to be what? I want to be a financial freedom, location freedom, and time freedom. This is what I'm actually aiming for. So this is what I've just left you guys to. All right. So discover yourself. Do what you have to do. Take care of your business, and I'll see you guys at the top. All right. So if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for watching. If you're seeing the video for the first time, subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up to help with YouTube algorithm. And stay blessed. I love you all so much. All right. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.